Hello everyone. In our previous class we have studied some shapes. We started with shapes with sharp edges like cube, cuboid, followed by curved shapes with curved edges like cylinder, cone. Before starting our new shape, I want to ask one question. Can you name one object which touches the ground only at a single point? This object can be easily rolled. Can you guess? One more hint I am giving. This object is used in playing many games. Yes, it is ball. In our daily life, we come across many round shaped objects like fruits, vegetables, and also the planets of our solar system. In other words, we call these objects spherical objects. Now question arises, is circle and a sphere are same? No, they are not same. Is it possible we draw a sphere on a paper? No, not at all. Only due to the artistic talent we see it as a 3D shape. But actually, when we draw anything on paper, it is a 2D object. But sphere is a 3D object. This shows that circle and sphere are different. Though they are different, but they are having some similarity. In a circle, the distance of each and every point on boundary from center is constant. We call it as a radius. In the same way, in a sphere, instead of boundary, every point on the curved surface is equidistant from center, and this distance is also radius. And as sphere has no vertex or edges, so it has only one surface. We call it CSA or TSA, both are same. Other 3D objects have edges, so they are having more than one surface. So the curved surface area or the total surface area in the case of a sphere are same. Now, how to calculate surface area of a sphere? Now, to calculate the surface area of a sphere, we have to relate it with some curved object. We can find the surface area of a sphere with the help of a cylinder. Now, consider a cylinder such that a sphere can be well fitted in it. So, the radius of the sphere will be equal to the radius of the cylinder, and the height of the cylinder will be 2r. Now Archimedes has given the relation that the lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to the surface area of sphere. Only in this particular case when sphere is well fitted inside the cylinder. So what is the lateral surface of cylinder? It is 2 pi r h. Now putting the value of h, we will get 2 pi r into 2r, which gives us the answer 4 pi r square. Thus, the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, which we can also say 4 into area of a circle, as area of circle is pi r square. So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Now if we cut a sphere into two equal parts, then each part is said to be a hemisphere. Now what will be the surface area of this? Surface area of this hemisphere will be 2 pi r square. But this is the surface area of a hollow hemisphere. If we cut a tennis ball into two equal parts, then we get the circular edge, not the circular surface. But when we cut a solid hemisphere, we get circular edge as well as the circular surface. This red portion is circular surface. So the total surface area of this hemisphere, solid hemisphere, will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. CSA of this solid hemisphere is 2 pi r square.
Let us start exercise 13.4, question number 2. Find the surface area of sphere of diameter 21 centimeters. Now, this is your sphere. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the surface area of this sphere. And the diameter of this sphere is 21 centimeters. So, what is given to us? What is given to us? Diameter is equal to 21 centimeter. So what about radius? Now whenever diameter is given, we have to find the radius Q. What is the surface area of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. So radius will be 21 upon 2 centimeter. Okay. Now what we have to calculate? Surface area of sphere. So the surface area of the sphere will be, what is it? 4 pi r square. क्या हो जाएगा? 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. 21 by 2 का square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Clear? Now 2 to the 4. So this will cancel out. 7 visa. So कितना बचा? 22 into 3 into 21. So what is it? 22 into 3, 66 into 21. So our answer is 1386 centimeter square. Now question number 3. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. What we have to find? We have to find the total surface area of a hemisphere. Now what is a hemisphere? So this is our hemisphere. Okay. Now we have to find the total surface area. So what is the total surface area of hemisphere? What is it? It is 3 pi r square. So what we have to do? This radius is given as 10 centimeters. Now simply put the values. 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So how much we are getting? 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4, 3 3s are 9 into 100. So our answer is 342 centimeter square. 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Now this is a balloon, suppose. Okay. So what is the radius here? The radius is 7 centimeter. And when the air is being pumped into it, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. What we have to find? We have to find the ratio of the surface areas of balloons in the two cases. So, in the first case, what is the radius? 7 centimeter. And when air is being pumped into it, its size increases, and now the next radius is 14 centimeter. So, what is our R1? Radius in first case is 7 centimeter. And R2 means radius in second case is 14 centimeter. So this is given to us. Now what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of the surface areas of balloons in the two cases. So it means we have to find surface area of balloon in case 1 upon surface area of balloon in case 2. So what is SA1? SA1 means 4 pi R1 square. And what is our SA2? It will be 4 pi R2 square. Clear? Now these two will cancel out. So how much is remaining? R1 upon R2 whole square. Now what is our R1? Which is equal to 7 upon 14 whole square. Now cancel out this. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. How much we are getting? 1 by 2 ka whole square. So what is our answer? It is 1 by 4. Question number 7. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surface area. What is given? Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Means diameter of moon is equal to 1/4 the diameter of earth. Clear? This point is clear. What is given to us? Diameter of moon is equal to 1/4 the diameter of earth. So with this what we will get? Diameter of earth is equal to 4 into dm. This 4 will move this side. So what we will get? Diameter of earth is equal to 4 dm. Now what we have to find? We have to find the ratios of their surface area. And whenever we have to calculate the surface area, what is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. So we have to calculate the radius. Now to calculate the radius, what we will do? We will divide this whole equation by 2. इसको आप 2 से divide करेंगे तो what we will get? dE by 2 is equal to 4 into dm by 2. Now what is diameter upon 2? Diameter of the 2 upon 2 will give you the radius of the earth, and it will be, what is this? Diameter of moon upon 2. So this will give you the diameter of the radius of the moon. So what is the relation? What we have done? dE upon 2. So diameter upon 2, it means ये अर्थ का डायमीटर है, उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ आ जाएगा. दिस 4 dm upon 2. So what is dm upon 2? This is the radius of the moon. So what is the relation which we have got? The radius of earth is equal to 4 times radius of moon. Now what we have to find? We have to find the ratios of their surface areas. We have to find the ratios of their surface area. So surface area of moon upon surface area of earth. It will be 4 pi rm square upon 4 pi re square. So this 4 pi cancel out. क्या मिल रहा हमको? rm upon re whole square. Now what is re? This is 4 rm whole square. Put the value. So what we are getting? 1 upon 4 whole square. So this will be 1 upon 16. So thus the ratio. Question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made up of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Clear? What is the question? A semi-hemispherical bowl. So this is our bowl. Okay. Now this is a bowl. Bowl. Consider a coconut. है ना? तो वो कैसा रहता है? उसका जो white portion होता है, बाहर का है brown portion, फिर अंदर white portion है. Okay. So that portion, that white portion, it gives you the thickness of the bowl. तो उसका थिकनेस कितना है? उस बाउल का थिकनेस है 0.25 सेंटीमीटर. एंड व्हाट इज द इनर रेडियस? इनर रेडियस कितना है? व्हाट इज गिवन? द इनर रेडियस ऑफ द बाउल इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द आउटर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द बाउल. क्लियर? सो इनर रेडियस कितना आया? 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो आउटर रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? this outer radius will be, what is RO? This RO will be inner radius plus thickness. अगर ये अपन सर्कल ले रहे हैं, ऊपर से देख रहे हैं, तो क्रॉस सेक्शन इफ वी आर टेकिंग, तो ये हो गया इनर और ये हो गया थिकनेस. क्लियर? सो दिस रेडियस प्लस दिस थिकनेस, ये आपको क्या देगा? आर आउटर. मतलब आप अंदर वाले रेडियस में उस थिकनेस को जोड़ दोगे तब आपको क्या मिलेगा? आउटर रेडियस. तो व्हाट विल बी द आउटर रेडियस? आर आई प्लस टी थिकनेस. कितना आया? 5.25 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द आउटर कर्व सरफेस एरिया? ये आपका आउटर कर्व सरफेस एरिया, ये वाला बाहर का. तो इसको आप किसकी हेल्प से निकालेंगे? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ द आर ओ. So what will be our formula? 2 pi RO square. Now put the value and get the answer yourself. Now the last question of the exercise. Question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius R. What is given? A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius R. मतलब एक इतना बड़ा सिलेंडर है जिसके अंदर पूरे तरीके से क्या आ जाए? स्फीयर आ जाए. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर, रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज इन 1 and 2. अब सिलेंडर कैसा है कि उसके अंदर स्फीयर बिल्कुल फिक्स हो जा रहा है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर? आर. सो व्हाट विल बी द हाइट ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर? इसके अंदर पूरा फिक्स हो जा रहा है स्फीयर, तो इसकी हाइट क्या हो जाएगी? दिस आर रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर प्लस आर. तो एच कितना हो गया? रेडियस हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज आर प्लस आर 2r. और रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर भी क्या होगा? रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर के बराबर होगा. so that will also is equal to r centimeter. So that's what we are having. Radius of sphere is equal to radius of cylinder, which is equal to r centimeter. Now what is the height of cylinder? 2r. So h equal to 2r. So what is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. Clear? So curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi rh. Now put the value of h. It is 2r. So what we are getting? 4 pi r square. What is the ratio of both the areas? A1 by A2 is 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. So it will be 1:1.